Hello, hello, everyone. It's Dr. Croom, Army vet, and you're here for Senior Pet Chat. That's right. Now, we usually start right at 7:30, but you're working with a mobile veterinarian here. That's one of the draws that people have to us is that we are mobile and we do go right to their home. So we are actually at a home right now, which is why we were unable to start right at 7:30, but that's okay. We're going to be here for just a short few minutes, but it's about an important topic that comes up quite a bit for me and my clients. I have quite a few clients with large breed dogs, and we're going to talk about them here for a moment. Boom, title. Okay, so we're talking specifically about the senior pets. Put in the chat if you are familiar with what typically large breed dogs typically live longer than small breed dogs, or do they typically live shorter time than small breed dogs? Put that in the chat if you know the answer to that. Senior pets in general, you already know. I love senior pets. They're little grizzle grays and little attitudes. I will say stank attitudes sometimes because that's really no other way to describe it. But we love them. And, I have a specialty there. People really are drawn to our service for that because senior pets can still live their best lives. They can live a life without pain. They can live a life without having some of the things that older senior pets have to deal with their joints and, lack of energy and things like that. All you need to do is come right to me, Dr. Croom, and my website is drcroom.com, and you can get not only education, but also virtual visits. If you have a senior pet and you need to talk to a vet, quickly the same day or the next day, and you're unable to get into your vet, you need to come to drcroom.com. We'll get you right in virtually. And then sometimes you may only need a virtual visit, and that's what we're really great with too. But if you're in Southwest Michigan, then you can also get a home visit as well. Okay? So, all right. So, tonight we're here. It's the Senior Pet Chat with Dr. Croom. We're here every Monday night. Tonight, we just wanted to talk for a few minutes about large breed dogs. I don't see anything in this chat. I'm unable to see my other chat since I am out in the field right now. So if someone else did comment on the other page, I'm sure you probably did. I'm sure you got the right answer. So telepathically, I'm thinking somebody in the other chat said that senior dogs tend to live shorter than smaller breed dogs, and that's absolutely correct. There's no just strict reason why. They're huge, their bodies do a lot, but then small dogs' bodies do a lot too, so it's hard to really say. If you have a large breed dog, put it in the chat. Let's see. Even if I can check it out later on the replay, I'd like to see if any of our viewers tonight have a large breed dog. We're talking about Great Danes. We're talking about Bernese Mountain Dogs. German Shepherds can be in that mix too, for sure. Cane Corsos, huge, beautiful, magnificent dogs. But with senior pets, they can sometimes live to be only sometimes 6 to 8 to 10 years old, whereas smaller breeds can sometimes live 16, 18 to 20 years. So large breed dogs, the people who have them, they love them. They just love them. They'll have a Great Dane and maybe a situation like where we're at tonight, where we have a last wishes service for a Great Dane. And the next dog they get, which one? What do you think is going to be? That's right, another Great Dane. A lot of us, we do stick to our own breeds, don't we? We just love them. And even if there's issues with that breed, we still get that breed again and again because we just absolutely love them. So large breed dogs, so they can pass sooner. They can have, even as young puppies, can have issues with their joints and everything because they're usually so big at a young age, and that can put a lot of stress on those young joints before they're fully formed. But then as senior pets, they've been dealing with this for their whole lives. And now they've probably got cartilage chipping away and some bone on bone, as far as those joints. And that's just no fun. I've got some really great holistic solutions for those kinds of issues. Again, you can feel free to reach out to me at drcroom.com or check out my website with some FAQs for you in case you're curious. But I'm going to get ready to get out of here because, again, I am in the field tonight doing mobile veterinary services. And so if you've joined tonight live or on the hashtag replay, I really appreciate you being here. Hopefully you will be here again next week. And I did not have the opportunity to make a post for this yet, but for those of you who made it to the end and are still listening, I have a brand new masterclass for pet parents who are interested in learning how to use what's right in your kitchen to give your pet a holistic, healthy lifestyle. Okay, it's going to be next Sunday. Make a note of it. Keep watching for the actual post so that you can register for it. Absolutely free. Absolutely free. And again, holistic leaning pet parents, those of you who are trying to be more holistic yourselves, like me, and then you're going to bring your pet right along. And there's so many things right in the kitchen that I'm going to be teaching in this masterclass next Sunday. So when you see it, get the link and register. I apologize for not having the link with me now, but it'll be up soon. Okay. So I'll be looking for those comments. I want to see your large breed dogs. Give me their name, give me the breed, and then we can talk more about them soon. Everyone, thank you for joining me tonight. It's Dr. Croom, your senior pet expert, signing off. See you next week.